Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Bay Scallops. Get ready to set sail on a voyage of taste and wellness as we unravel the extraordinary health benefits that these small wonders bring to our plates. Whether you're a seafood aficionado or just curious about the goodness that Bay Scallops bring to your plate, you're in for a treat. Join us as we explore the depths of nutrition and flavors. Stay tuned, because by the end of this journey, you'll be ready to embark on your very own seafood adventure, armed with the knowledge of how Bay Scallops can truly elevate your well-being. Bay Scallops might be small, but they're packed with nutritional power. These tender morsels are a fantastic source of protein, the building blocks of your muscles, tissues, and enzymes. Not to mention, they're bursting with vitamin B12. A key player in boosting energy levels and supporting the nervous system. Every bite of these delightful shellfish delivers a wholesome package of essential nutrients that your body craves for overall vitality. When it comes to supporting your heart health, Bay Scallops truly shine as a delectable source of omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny shellfish deliver a substantial dose of EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, two essential types of omega-3s that play a pivotal role in maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Omega-3s are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help quell inflammation in blood vessels and throughout the body, which is a crucial factor in reducing the risk of heart disease and maintaining overall heart health. DHA, one of the omega-3s found in Bay Scallops, is essential for maintaining a steady and healthy heart rhythm. It supports the electrical activity of the heart, reducing the risk of irregular heartbeats. But wait, there is more benefits for your health. Omega-3s have the remarkable ability to lower triglyceride levels, a type of fat in the blood that's linked to heart disease. By helping to regulate triglyceride levels, Bay Scallops contribute to a heart protective effect. Omega-3s possess antiplatelet and anticoagulant properties, which means they help prevent blood clot formation. This reduces the risk of dangerous clots that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Let's not forget about immune system. In the world of immunity, Bay Scallops shine brightly with their selenium and zinc content. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, defending your cells against damage and enhancing your immune system's resilience. On the other hand, zinc is your immune system's ally, fortifying its defense mechanisms and helping you stay resilient against illnesses. Do you need energy boost? Bay Scallops got you covered. They are a natural energy source, thanks to their phosphorus and iron content. Phosphorus supports energy metabolism, ensuring your body efficiently uses the nutrients you consume to keep you energized throughout the day. Meanwhile, iron is your partner in oxygen transport, ensuring that your cells receive the oxygen they need for optimal function. Are you craving a delectable seafood experience without worrying about excess calories and fats? Bay Scallops are your go-to option. With their low calorie and fat content, they provide a satisfying and guilt-free indulgence, allowing you to relish flavors without compromising on your health goals. What's more, Bay Scallops are culinary chameleons, effortlessly adapting to a myriad of dishes. Their tender texture and delicate flavor make them a canvas for culinary creativity. Whether you're crafting a zesty seafood salad, a creamy pasta, or an aromatic stir-fry, Bay Scallops infuse your meals with a burst of flavor while nourishing your body. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know? Navigating the world of seafood often involves mercury concerns. However, Bay Scallops come to the rescue with their lower mercury levels compared to larger seafood options. This means you can enjoy them frequently, savoring their nutritional benefits with peace of mind. And there you have it, the incredible world of Bay Scallops' health benefits unveiled. From heart-healthy omega-3s to immune-boosting nutrients, these small but mighty shellfish have taken us on a journey through the depths of nutrition and flavor. As you savor the deliciousness of Bay Scallops in your meals, remember that each bite not only delights your taste buds, but also nourishes your body. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or a health-conscious explorer, incorporating Bay Scallops into your culinary repertoire is a flavorful step toward a healthier you. Let's celebrate these ocean treasures that have graced our plates with their nutritional wonders. Bay scallops remind us that wellness and indulgence can indeed coexist in the most delightful way. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities that nutrition and flavor have to offer. Until next time, keep your palate intrigued and your health empowered. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.